So we've told you how the city of Portland is considering gunshot detection technology as another way to fight gun violence. A police oversight group recommended ShotSpotter to the mayor's office earlier this month. It's a company that sets up sensors around the city that listen for gunshots. While Portland leaders think about whether it would be worth it and where it could be used, there's another crucial part here. How would ShotSpotter alerts be used in prosecution? Evan Watson looked into it.
I've covered the use of ShotSpotter as a reporter in other parts of the country. Police often tell me it can inform them about shootings that aren't called in through 911 and help them get to the scene of a shooting faster. But when police arrest someone for a gun-related crime, is ShotSpotter evidence enough?
ShotSpotter uses sensors to listen for potential gunshots, sending police to areas looking for evidence of a crime. In 2020, Chicago police arrested Michael Williams for murder, using a ShotSpotter alert as critical evidence. After Williams spent a year in jail, a judge dismissed the case after prosecutors argued there was a lack of evidence. Now, Williams, through the MacArthur Justice Center at Northwestern University, is suing the city of Chicago for damages. The lawsuit also seeks a court order ending the use of ShotSpotter in Chicago. So it begs the question, how might ShotSpotter alerts be used in criminal prosecution? On its website, ShotSpotter says its evidence and witness testimony has been successfully admitted in over 200 court cases in over 20 states. ShotSpotter denied a report from Vice News that the company has altered evidence at the request of police departments and prosecutors. It sued Vice for defamation, but in June a judge dismissed the case. So if Portland decides to try out ShotSpotter, how would prosecutors use ShotSpotter evidence? The oversight group that recommended ShotSpotter to the mayor's office says this: relying solely on technology and algorithms can create harmful and costly mistakes, as made evident by the case of Michael Williams in Chicago. FitCog recommends that ShotSpotter data be used in addition to, not in lieu of, other criminal forensic and investigative evidence in the prosecution of gun violence cases. Specifically, a series of legal rules and guidelines should be created to protect against ShotSpotter data being considered the only admissible evidence needed to prosecute such cases. Mayor Ted Wheeler and council members will decide whether the city should contract with ShotSpotter. Evan Watson, KGW News.